September 9th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. It's about 10:37 at night. Just got back to the house here. And actually the eastbound lane, the ramp up by the stadium is closed off. Now, I don't know what's happened down there in I-70, but there was a massive amount of lights flashing and stuff. I'm going to show there was a truck trying to get through. Then I'm going to show actually, basically Kansas City, Missouri had it blocked, so nobody could get through. So hold on, guys. This is Kansas City. This is Independence, Missouri. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I was just crossing over here. And you can see where my cursor is. There's a truck with a trailer. And it tried to go down that ramp. Kansas City, Missouri's on down that ramp just a little ways, blocking it so nobody can get through. So you can see he's going to go ahead and pull back on. Going opposite way here, but we're going to show that police vehicle. Let's see, I'll stop it here. You guys be able to see this. And you can see it right over there. So something's happened down on I-70. Just a heads up, guys. And that is the eastbound lane. So keep your eyes open and stay safe out there.